Okay, it's the 20th of February. It's a Thursday. We're going to discuss temperatures, how they're going to rise next week. And then as we get into March, you're going to see that there's a strat warming going on and we're going to get cold temperatures again. But here's the problem. The storms that are going to hit, they seem to hit when it's warm. And then cold comes in behind it and then not during it. And that's been the problem this winter to get the nor'easters. We've had many snow events, but we just haven't had that one big one. And we're sponsored by Kittner Modular Homes. They have been very nice to help out here. Check them out. I have their website listed above in the comment section. Yeah, just take a look. Tomorrow morning, you can see it's cold. Pennsylvania is basically in single digits and teens. Jersey's in teens and low 20s. And Delaware, you're in the mid 20s. Daytime highs on Friday. Pennsylvania, basically, for the most part, in the 20s, except southeast and south central, where it's right around freezing. New Jersey, 20s to the north, 30s to the south. And Delaware, once again, about mid 30s for you guys. I want to fast forward this to Monday. Daytime highs on Monday. You can start to see they're beginning to warm up. 40s out by Pittsburgh, 40s in central PA, upper 40s down here by Philly and Jersey. Might even see a 50 thrown in there. So things begin to warm up on Monday. Tuesday, southeastern PA, Jersey, Delaware, you're in the mid 50s. Elsewhere, it's in the 30s to 40s at this point in time, but you do have some precipitation moving through. That's why parts of Pennsylvania are in the 30s and 40s because you have rain coming through on Tuesday. And once that goes by, it turns to a little bit of snowflakes off the lakes, but that's about it. On Wednesday, it's still holding on to the 50s down here in South Jersey and South Delaware, but elsewhere it's around freezing to the north in PA and the mountainous areas of PA and 30s elsewhere. Central PA and southeastern PA, you get into the 40s on Wednesday. As we move this out a little bit further, let's see if we can move this out. And Friday's the 28th. I wanted to show you this. This is 7 o'clock in the morning on Friday. You got single digits out here by Bradford, out this way, and you got teens through most of Pennsylvania in low 20s. And what I want to show you is as we get during the day on Friday, 20s hold to the north, but in the southern part of the state, it gets into the mid 30s. Delaware, you get near 40. Jersey, you get near 40. And at this point in time, you have no precipitation coming through, but it will. And here you go here. This is Saturday around 11 o'clock in the morning. You have a front coming through. You got some snow mixed with it and brings colder air in behind it. Changes to rain during the day. Then as it goes through, it brings things down. Temperature-wise now, this is the Sunday night. Temperatures around Sunday night then would then be cold again. Everywhere except South Jersey, well, South Jersey and Delaware, 8 o'clock in the evening on the third would be pretty chilly. But as you can see, as we go through the nighttime hours, Monday morning again, single digits and low teens up here. Pittsburgh, you're in the mid 20s. A lot of southeastern PAs in the 20s. Delaware and Jersey get below freezing. This is going to be more the norm as we get into Tuesday morning. Single digits. This is a very brutal outbreak. This is the basically the polar vortex. I mean, it's coming down, and this is what I said was going to happen. You'll have a break next week, and then it gets cold. And look at, I mean, this is Tuesday morning, the 4th of March. We got single digits, a lot of Pennsylvania, low teens, and then 20s to the southeast, which is normally warm. And that's kind of the way it is going to be now. The southeastern part of PA and Jersey and southern parts of Jersey and Delaware will always be a little bit warmer, cold air may not reach. But if you look up here, you can see these are below zero temperatures up here. So that's quite interesting. And then as we go into the nighttime hours on that night, Tuesday night, you can see temperatures up here have already dropped below zero on the 4th. And then as we get through, as we get to morning hours, you got below zero there. Maybe upper Wayne County gets below zero. Single digits elsewhere, low teens. Here's southeastern PA. 11, 12 degrees. Jersey teens. Oh, it gets cold the first week of March. That's what I wanted to show you. Now, as that cold air comes in, we get a low pressure system once again off the coast down here by Virginia. And again, it moves out and up, but a little bit too far out. These might, as of right now, to be anything snow for Pennsylvania. Might bring some rain right now. Some models show it a lot closer. And then as the real cold air comes in, this is the real cold air coming in around the 1st. This is associated with it. Another low comes across here into eastern PA, which would not be good enough to make a big snowstorm either. And then we watch this thing, and it just is not connecting with the cold air, like I said yesterday. You don't get that big storm with the cold air. There's another one around the 7th of March, and it's off the southeastern coast. So unless things change, that's kind of where we're at. But I still think we're going to get one snowstorm along here before the changeover towards the middle to the end of March when we start to warm up. All right, everybody, take care.
Homes to the place we belong, Kidner Homes. Since 1972, Kidner Homes has known what to do. With endless floor plans, we will build your dream home with our own two hands.